this is just the meaning of receiving the blessing from the risen Christ.
Moving on, the 2025 Harold Mbati Easter Choir Festival was held today under the theme Celebrating Easter, which brought together the spirit of music, unity and resurrection. The festival attracted 31 choirs from all 5 wards of Luanda constituency, each representing diverse faiths and showcasing extraordinary musical talent. After a day filled with uplifting performances and spiritual celebration, ACK St. Stephen's Emukasa took first position with a cash reward of 100,000 Kenya shillings, followed by ACK Holy Trinity Enyaita in the second position, which took a cash reward of 75,000 Kenya shillings. The third position was won by ACK St. Mark Emayoka, which was awarded 50,000 Kenya shillings. The event was organized by the Harold Mbati Foundation, a grassroots organization committee aiming to empower communities through arts, education, youth mentorship, and sustainable development. All right, still with the Easter celebration.